Well, hello guys. Today we're going to be reviewing Trurail Simulations interpretation of the BNSF 25th anniversary unit in Railworks. They have just released this. I don't know how long it's been out. I have been dead with them for like quite a while. This requires the BNSF ES44 Pack 2, not Pack 2, Pack 1. It's an RSC. It is the, let me find it. BNSF ES44 BNSF Pack 1, which is the H2-9 because of the rear headlight. So you got all 4K textures, as you guys can clearly see. It works with the Trurail Simulations pack, or ES44 GVO 12 pack. As you can clearly see, it has the BNSF 25th anniversary on the front and back. I personally think they should have put this on Mariah's Pass, since really I think this has a late K5 instead of an early, because this is gonna have an early K5 since it's off the Pack 2. So first off, let's just get some Mariah's locomotives. You know, we'll put an H2 just behind it, just for the sake of this. Put you right there. Not, we'll rearrange that. I have yet to fix the couplers on this because I tried using Trurail Simulations Type F couplers with that. You know what they should have done? Okay. I don't think I tested this really quick, so I think I saw Type E, not Type F. If they didn't put Type F couplers on there, I'm about to be super mad. Oh, that's, you know what we'll do with you. You're coming with me. We'll just put you back here. There. Alright, continuing on what I was doing, we're going to put you right here. And then we'll just add, let's just get some BNSF. Just spam a bunch of these hoppers. Heck to the no, that is nowhere near enough. We'll just put you there. Then we will grab the BNSF again. There. You know, we'll not put it, we don't have to put an EOT on this today. We'll just keep this how it is right now. Oh, don't forget to add a driver to it. We'll just continue with this. I think I'm the first person to review this. I think. I'm not super sure on that, but I'll have to double check with that. So obviously you have your bell and your early K5. Early up. Why is there not Type F? Explain that. Explain that. Explain this, Trurail. I would like an explanation. But anyways, the only thing that's the only thing I really don't like about it is the Type E. But anyways, I love all of it. The side panels, not side panels. The paint Frisco, Great Northern, Burlington Northern Santa Fe, or ATSF, and also the 4K textures on this. They're not really 4K, since I think those are also 4K. It's just they're weathered. Not sure. Let's go back. Alright, put it into forward. Alright, there we are. Got 6179, 25th anniversary, 7142, H3, 7707 in the H3. So there's that. And we will get going shortly after the driver gets settled on his journey. Oh, must have accidentally pressed my mute button. But we will get to going in besides that. Oh. Okay, just the brakes aren't cooperating with me. Alright, let's get going. BNSF grain train of the 25th anniversary Lee's Whitefish. Wait a minute. Okay, I was about to say, I didn't think that lead unit was producing anything. Okay. Let's put notch 3 just for the sake of this video. Now they're roaring to life. The screech is so bad. We'll come over here. I do have to say, we were needing this locomotive for a couple months, I do have to say. So I'm glad they brought this into the game where we can enjoy it in its fullest, in a simulator type form. Let's blow the horn. I just want to see what this sounds like from this far. I just forgot what it sounds like. For some reason, on all the Searchlight K5, the two Searchlight K5s that are in the GVOL 12 pack, which are the only ones, right up when you're right next to it, like 10 feet away from it, just close up in general, the first the A and B's in the file pack, just they just don't sound prototypical. Just me. If it's far away, then they sound prototypical. But just up close, they just do not sound. They just don't sound right. It's probably just me, but still. All right, we're just going the correct way, and there's a stupid mosquito on my monitor. Go away. Now it's closer. We're coming right around that corner. Don't worry, it'll be here any second. Yes, I know I'm speeding. It's the one downfall with these. If you blow and let go too quickly, it'll mess it up. It'll end really abruptly. I just hate that. Let's get a good view. Get that weed out of my screen. Alright, let's blow our horn. I'll just be good. We'll just let this train pass and I'll end the video there. Gosh, I just love this. Love it more than any other thing. Besides the Dash 9s. See, can't deny the Dash 9s are amazing. And they're P42. And really nothing else for me. Just their Dash 9s and that one P42 pack. No sound on these cars. That kind of disappoints me. It needs to be more vibrant. Only real time when these sounds on these cars go off is when they go over a switch, which is kind of disappointing. No, that's just straight up disappointing. Well, guys, the end of the train's here. So, I'm just gonna let the end of this train pass, and we'll go back up to the locomotive and just let you guys get a final view on this. Alright? Here's the front. Let you get one last little glimpse of this amazing locomotive. Alright, well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.